What's up, y'all? Alright, just got the car cleaned up and everything. It's gonna be our first little point of view drive with the Mustang. By the way, if y'all didn't notice the sound differences, it's because if y'all did, then I finally got the X-Pi installed a couple days ago. Another mod that I did to the Mustang so far is 5% tint. We got 35 on the front, 5 all around and back. But yeah, let's get to the point of view drive. It's gonna be louder very soon, man. We're getting the axle back coming up. Axle back exhaust. I'm gonna let the car cool down a little bit. Let me warm up, my bad. Got the windows rolled down for y'all, so you know y'all can hear that coyote. Jeez, the brake them crazy, bro. What the fuck? It brakes so hard. Give you a little point of view drive. The tire's still wet, so I'm trying to take it a little easy for now. Man, I'm gonna put it in sport mode. That's how you do it, baby. One-handed. Wouldn't recommend anyone to do that though, especially in a Mustang. Gee, this thing sounds good. Imagine, bro, the resonator. I mean, not the resonator. The muffler's still there. We still got the stock muffler. I'm just waiting on getting the axle back. You know, that will remove the stock muffler. So pretty much an X pipe in the middle and a straight pipe in the back with no mufflers. I'm excited, man. Can't wait to see how this sounds. Man, it's kind of hard to shift with just one hand, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna put it back in D just for now. Heading to the store real quick, so you know, I just want to do a little point of view drive. Bro, this thing is still really quiet to me, you know, for me. I'm getting the axle back real soon. That X-Pi ain't enough. Long as that. this Mustang, man, with the 10 speed. Just like a lot of gears to play around with. You know, like I'll be downshifting like 5 times, bro, compared to the Charger that I have like 2 or 3 times. You know, I'll be at my lowest gear. I ain't gonna lie, when we're doing road racing. But yeah, like I said earlier, I got the X pipe and the tent done. For now, I'm just trying to focus on the exterior, you know, the looks. Then we'll get to the performance. Besides the exhaust, I don't know if that considers as performance, but and after that we'll just go from there. Accurate low, sending low. I can see that though. Ooh, it's kind of loud. And man, compared to this Mustang right now with just the X pipe, bro, my Charger is like 3 times louder than that, bro. It's crazy. What is that? GR86? I think it is. Ain't no clean though. I'm gonna lie, I feel like this point of view kind of boring though, cause you know, I don't know if y'all can hear the exhaust, but we'll find out before I upload this video. Sounds pretty quiet to me from the inside, but this thing is quick, bruh. It just moves up the hill so quick. The only problem I got with it right now is just not loud enough, bruh. It needs to be louder. Gotta be louder, fam. That thing clean though. Drift car. I call that a drift car. Or a drift car. I like it. Then we're gonna do a little lunch for y'all. A little lunch, man. This thing, I'm gonna see if it still spins. The tire might be a little wet though, I ain't gonna lie. Gosh, Lee, boy. Bro, I feel like I'm fucking up the transmission right now because my ass be switching from sport to drive. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm getting used to it, man. It's because I'm having a hard time shifting with one hand. I don't like, feel me? Like, I gotta go from here to here. Or next time I'm gonna just downshift. Like this one dude on YouTube told me to put in sport, downshift with it. And that's as soon as you hit the paddle, put it back in drive. I think I tried that once, it worked. It just, you know, automatically shifted for you. I think that's pretty cool. 86. That thing clean though, man. I'm at the store now, y'all. I'm about to end this video real soon. Gotta go in there and get some groceries. I'm about to have a little, little cookout Friday night. Not much for real. I'm trying to park too close to people for real, bro. But yeah, bro, can't wait for the axle back. And we'll be set, bro. The exhaust system's gonna be set, bro. Them cab backs, bro, they're expensive. The cheapest one I probably saw was like MPRP, something like that, or the pipes cab back. I think that thing would sound good, but still though, it's quite expensive, especially since I recently just bought the car. So y'all stay tuned, man. There's gonna be more mods coming for this car, for real. Let me give you a little fucking tour real quick for in the video. That's about it, y'all. Head inside the store. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. Peace.